Manhattan Project scientists chose the McDonald Ranch House as an assembly site for the Gadget nuclear device. Jim Eckles explains why.
The George McDonald Ranch House was convenient because it was the nicest permanent structure close to ground zero, and they took the master bedroom and turned it into a clean room. They put plastic over the windows, they taped up all the cracks and stuff. There's a sign they chalked on the door about cleaning your feet before entering the room, trying to seal it up to keep dust out of it for this assembly of the plutonium core. Most people think, well, why wasn't it blown apart being 2 miles from ground zero? Because we've all seen that footage from Nevada where houses are blown apart in nuclear explosions. And shock waves do funny things. From the ranch house you cannot see ground zero. There's a little bit of a ridge, and the shock wave may have just kind of bounced over the ranch house. It did knock out the windows to the house and the doors, but the house was pretty much undamaged structurally by the explosion.
Ground zero was only 2 miles away, so this was a good place to bring together plutonium and other components needed for the Gadget. One member of the assembly team was Manhattan Project physicist Raemer Schreiber.
The first time that the high explosive and the nuclear core got together was actually down at Alamogordo. And we did this out in an old ranch house there at the so-called McDonald Ranch, which was an abandoned homestead. And we had to move down everything, diesel generators for electric power, all of the tools, and so on. And we did then the assembly of the nuclear components there, moved them over to the zero-point tower, and gently lowered the assembly into the hole in the high explosive.